Hey guys, just making this short video about some of the reminders for the Shoreham laundry room. Most important thing is for anyone who is doing laundry with pets, this plastic ring should be wiped out with any kind of spray or paper towels, and underneath stuff gathers in there. You can see there's stuff in there right now. It could always be cleaned out. The biggest courtesy is for anybody that might be allergic to pets or pet hair, so try to keep that in mind. Also, the part where you put the soap in. High efficiency washes, so you need very little soap. You only need about a half a capful. And at any time, if you want to clean up this well, just push up on that little plastic piece on the bottom and this comes out. You can clean inside the well, you can clean the dish and it slides right back in. Just for a cleaner machine for everybody. So try to keep that in mind. Part 2 of the video, the Shoreham grill. First thing you want to do is you want to get down here. You want to turn the gas on to the left. You got 3 burners. You could use any or all of them. You push these in and turn them to the left and the button ignites. Get the burners going, cook your food. When you're turning it off, you just turn these back up and the gas gets turned off. When you're cleaning the grill, it's good to clean it while it's still hot. Got a brush that we keep down here. Just brush off the grill. If you want to pour some water on it, you could do that. Wait till it cools down and put that cover back on. That's pretty much everything. Nice and simple. Thanks, bye.